Hello, this is Julia Lynam coming to you from Vermont in the USA, and I'm bringing you the Hawaiian Canoe Dance. Now, the choreography for this dance is a little bit cobbled together because I learned it from a friend who learned it from a friend, and so we may have changed it from whatever it originally was. But whatever it is, it's very good fun. It's a seated dance. It's done to a piece of music by the Hawaiian band Hapa. I'm going to go over to my dance chair to show you how it's done, and then I'll come back to the computer to put the music on. So let's do the Hawaiian Canoe Dance. So we're going to start off by paddling our canoes, first on the left and then on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get those canoes moving. Now we're going to put some stars in the sky so that we can navigate. Stars, 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 stars. Now we're going to look first to the right and then to the left, and also wave in each direction at the canoes that we see on the other side, or perhaps at the people on the land. So look right, wave right, look left, wave left. And then that's the end of the verse. And in between, we do a little hula movement, which is a prayer, asking for calm seas and quiet waters. So let's just go through that one more time. Paddle, 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 stars, 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 look and wave, and a hula. Ready for the music? The Hawaiian Canoe Dance.
Hey, boy, pie, iho mai na ono ka aina I vitua mo no ka la hui. E ho iho mai na ono ka aina I vitua mo ka la hui.
The Hawaiian Canoe Dance. I don't know if you could hear me over the music, but in the very last verse of that, which is, you know it's the last verse because it's much more percussive than the other verses, we like to splash the people in the canoes next to us instead of just waving at them. So I hope you can have a bit of fun with the Hawaiian Canoe Dance.